Project Vantara, the silent billion-dollar pivot in Reliance's net zero strategy. Vantara, From Vision to Value by Avni Gupta, HKUST, Hong Kong. The emerging goldmine of sustainability. Number 1. Strategic Genesis. Spread across over 3,500 acres, Vantara is the embodiment of Anant Ambani's vision, combining wildlife conservation, ecological restoration, and sustainability innovation under one banner. Number 2. SIT findings and the current status. Key conclusions include no carbon credit linkages, philanthropic funding, and baseless allegations. In essence, Vantara presently functions as a philanthropic conservation project, strengthening Reliance's ESG credentials without direct financial gain. Number 3. Strategic positioning and the future outlook. Vantara could theoretically generate over 1 million carbon credits annually, translating to an estimated Rs 150 crore in recurring value subject to regulatory recognition. Number 4. The corporate masterstroke. The Reliance ecosystem synergy ensures that when India's CCTS expands, Vantara will already be infrastructure ready to claim early mover advantage. Number 5. The road ahead from philanthropy to sustainable capital. In the near future, 3 key developments can be anticipated: regulatory evolution, monetization framework, and institutional capitalization. When this transition materializes, Vantara will no longer be a philanthropic outlay of Rs 1,000 crores. It will evolve into a strategic carbon asset capable of yielding exponential long-term returns, both financial and reputational. Number 6. Conclusion. Vantara is Anant Ambani's defining corporate experiment, a convergence of environmental ethics, brand strategy, and capital foresight. Today it stands as a philanthropic marvel. Tomorrow it could be India's largest nature-based carbon asset platform. What began as a celebration may, in hindsight, be recognized as the genesis of Reliance's next-generation sustainability economy, a gold mine built not on oil or data, but on nature itself.